Roadmap to become a system design engineer. Ever wondered how apps handle millions of users smoothly? That's system design. A system design engineer builds scalable and reliable systems used by large applications. Start with programming basics. Be strong in one language like Java or Python. Next, learn data structures and algorithms. They help you write efficient code. Understand how the internet works, HTTP, APIs, DNS, and load balancing. Then, learn databases. Work with both SQL and NoSQL and understand scaling techniques like sharding. Now, focus on system design concepts like scalability, availability, and fault tolerance. Learn architectures, monolith versus microservices. Use caching tools like Redis to improve performance. Understand messaging systems, like Kafka for communication between services. Finally, practice designing real systems like chat apps or URL shorteners. Think at scale. Always ask, will this work for millions of users? Become a system design engineer and design systems that never fail.